These robot vacuums should not be this smart. We're talking about machines that can literally see your furniture, dodge your pet's mess, and even wash their own mops, all while you're watching Netflix. And the craziest part? Some of these things cost less than a phone. Today, we're checking out 5 insanely smart robot vacuums of 2025. From budget beasts to full-blown cleaning AIS, and trust me, number 1 will make your old Roomba look ancient. Quick heads up, all the product links are in the description. Prices change fast, and some of these go on crazy discounts. Now, let's jump in. If you think robot vacuums are all starting to feel the same, meet the Eufy E28, a machine that doesn't just clean floors, it deep cleans like it's on a mission. This thing delivers a massive 20,000 Pascal suction power, pulling up dust and pet hair from deep inside carpets that most vacuums simply miss. Then there's the hydrojet system, spinning its roller mop 360 times per minute to scrub stains away using fresh water, not the dirty stuff it just picked up. So every pass actually makes your floor cleaner, not messier. But here's where it gets genius. The Flexi-One portable deep cleaner detaches from the base. You can spot clean sofas, stairs, or even car seats instantly. And those duo spiral brushes handle pet hair automatically, while the corner rover arm gets right into those hard-to-reach edges. The all-in-one station handles the rest. It empties, washes, and dries everything for you. Just hit start and walk away. Quiet, powerful, and futuristic, the Eufy E28 doesn't just clean your home. It redefines what clean actually means. Meet the Roomba Max 705 Combo Auto Wash Dock, iRobot's boldest step toward a fully autonomous cleaning experience. This isn't just a vacuum and mop combo, it's a self-running system that practically takes care of your home on autopilot. The Max 705 packs incredible power with 175 times stronger suction than older Roomba models. Its power spin roller mop works alongside perfect edge technology, scrubbing deep into every corner, wall, and hard-to-reach edge. And when it glides onto carpets, a smart protective cover instantly lifts the mop, so your rugs stay spotless and dry. Then there's the Magic Dock, the auto wash station. It doesn't just empty the dustbin, it washes, refills, and dries the mop automatically, giving you up to 75 days of maintenance-free cleaning. You press start once, and it does everything else. It's loaded with 3D LiDAR mapping and precision vision AI, letting it recognize obstacles like cords, socks, or pet waste while creating hyper-accurate room maps for efficient routes. The result? A cleaner that's powerful, quiet, and truly independent. The Roomba Max 705 Combo Auto Wash Dock doesn't just tidy your home, it redefines what smart cleaning really means. Now we're heating up MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller, a robot vacuum and mop combo that's redefining smart cleaning. This isn't just a vacuum, it's a full cleaning beast designed to both suck and scrub with precision. Under the hood, it delivers a staggering 8,000 Pascal suction, ripping deep-seated dirt and pet hair from carpets and floors alike. The roller mop module tackles spills and sticky messes simultaneously, so you get vacuum plus mop in a single pass. But here's where it gets next level: AI-powered object recognition. The Z60 Ultra can distinguish between shoes, cables, toys, even stray socks, and navigate around them like a pro. No more getting stuck or dragging things across the floor. Its self-emptying dock handles up to 45 days of dustbin clearing, so you won't open it for weeks. The water tank supports light mopping, and it smartly lifts its roller mop when crossing carpets to protect your rugs. A LiDAR mapping system builds perfect room layouts every run. If you want raw power, smart intelligence, and hands-free operation in one machine, the MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller delivers. It's not just cleaning your home, it's dominating it. Alright, now we're entering sci-fi territory. The NARWAL Flow isn't just a vacuum, it's a full cleaning system. It washes and dries itself, turning your daily chore into magic. This is the one you let run and forget. It's packing 7,000 Pascal suction to haul up dust, debris, and pet hair like it's nothing. Then, its dual spinning mop heads scrub your floors with precision, hitting hard-to-reach areas and stubborn stains. What really sets it apart? The self-maintaining dock. After every session, the Flow's base washes the mop pads, dries them, and empties the dustbin, all automatically. You don't even have to think about it. In navigation, it uses LiDAR mapping plus depth sensors to build accurate room layouts, detect carpets, and lift its mop when needed. Set different water levels and suction modes in the app. Wood floors, tile, rugs, it adjusts accordingly. Battery life is solid. With its 8,200 mAh battery, you get around 4 hours of runtime. For large homes and busy households, that's game-changing. Quiet, autonomous, and shockingly smart. The NARWAL Flow isn't just your robot vacuum, it's your cleaning partner. And finally, meet the DREAME Matrix10 Ultra, the robot vacuum that feels like science fiction brought into your home. This isn't just a cleaner, it's an autonomous cleaning ecosystem. Powering the show is 12,000 Pascal suction and dual spinning mop wheels that scrub every corner, every tile. It adapts in real time, lifting mops for carpets, boosting suction for messier zones, and adjusting water flow based on surface type. Its base is where the magic lives. The dock empties dust, washes and dries mop pads, refills clean water, and even dispenses detergent when needed. You press start, walk away, and come back to perfection. Thanks to its AI Vision 3D system and structured light sensors, the Matrix 10 recognizes cables, clutter, spilled cereal, and plans the smartest cleaning path. It's nearly impossible to trip it up. Fueled by a 12,140 mAh battery, it runs up to 5 hours, and the 80-watt fast charging tops it up in under 2 hours. Quiet, powerful, and outrageously autonomous. The DREAME Matrix10 Ultra doesn't just clean floors, it reimagines home cleanliness. So, which one's your pick? Drop a comment below and tell me which robot you'd trust to clean your home. Check the links in the description for updated prices, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.